Alrighty guys, today we're making a video on how to make your own ROBLOX shirt. Now, you want to use paint.net for this. You want to click File here. Let me cancel that. You want to click File here, and then you want to click Open. And then I just saved that randomly. You want to click on this. Once you save this, it's like rbxcdn.com something, and then shirt template underscore 022222016, and you want to open that. And then you get this. And then you want to click on this rectangle select. The rectangle select. Press S for that if you want to. Actually, I don't think that works. Anyways, just click on that. And then there's this. And I recommend holding Control for this, because Control allows you to do multiple things at once. So you want to do all of this. Ooh, flag. I haven't actually been able to do this correctly yet. This whole shirt thing. Boom. 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 And now you want to hit delete. The button right above the backspace button. Tap that. Boom. Done. And now you want to go to the magic wand right here. Click on it. Click on this. And then tap delete again. And I'm actually really fast at doing this now, just randomly. Here's my layers. Want to make a layer 2 by pressing this once, and then you want to click this check mark by background. Boom. And now you want to find a random background on the internet, and then you click on this paste thing. Keep canvas size, and then background, and then you need to magic wand this, and then so boom. Sadly, I can't do the hearts like you regularly do. What the heck is going on? Oh, right. Supposed to have the background gone. Okay, what the heck is going on? Boom. What is going on? What on earth is going on? What? So I guess I'll move the selection over here, delete, and now rectangle select, no, magic wand. You want to delete. What is going on? Why is this failing so hard? And now you want to do why? Okay, I screwed up. Anyways, what you usually do is delete all. You select this, you select all of these squares with the magic wand, including that right there and that right there. And then you would delete that. And then, yeah, you would have your own personal Roblox shirt. I don't know exactly how to upload it on Roblox, but I know it's a free Roblox shirt. I hope this tutorial helped you guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.